Hello students, now we are going to start our next lecture of extension 242, that is topic number 6, that is the emotions. Now up to last lecture we have discussed up to the attitude, that is topic number 3rd. Now topic number 4th and 5th related to consumer behavior and decision making. So that will be taught to you by Kolekar madam. The topic number 6 that we have to discuss, that is the emotion. So under this topic emotion, we are going to study the concept, meaning, definition, types and expressive component of emotion. And another part of this emotion topic is the theories of emotion. So that theories we will discuss in the next lecture. Okay. Right now we have to focus on this only this thing: concept, definition, types and expressive components of emotions. Okay. Now first of all we see the meaning of emotion. The word emotion is derived from Latin word emover. Emover means to stir up or to excite. That means very much excited state of the individual. When we are get happy, surprise, whatever the stage is there, that is the excited stage. Stirred up state, that means when we are get much more angry, at that time our body, our facial expressions, our voice, all these things are going to show a different kind of expressions. So that is the stirred up state. आपण चिडल्यावरती आपण जे एक्सप्रेशन्स दाखवतो किंवा आनंदी असल्यावरती जे एक्सप्रेशन्स दाखवतो, दॅट इज स्टर्ड अप स्टेट अँड एक्साइट स्टेट. दॅट इज नथिंग बट द इमोर, दॅट इज इमोशन्स. Emotion can thus be understood as an agitated or excited state of our mind and body. That means it is the state of our mind and body. But which kind of state is there? That is agitated state or excited state. That means in this, while showing the emotions, we are much more involved while showing the emotion. That is which we are much more excited while showing the emotions. When there is the end of the match, when there is a winning moment of the match, we are get much more excited in a cricket match. So whatever the excited stage is there, we are much more focused on that particular point, on that particular last over, on the particular last over. So that is the excited state of an individual. Okay. It is stirred up state of feeling. That is the way it appears to the individual himself. It is the stirred up state. Stirred up म्हणजे ढवळून निघालेली स्टेट, ढवळून निघालेली सिच्युएशन. Much more involvement of the individual in that particular state. That is the stirred up state of individual. It is distributed muscular and glandular activity. That is the way it appears to external observer. That means externally other people are going to observe in our body a muscular activity, that means physical activity and glandular activity. Glandular activity, that means hormones are released when we are get disturbed, when we are get angry or when we are get happy. A certain kind of hormones are released and by that way we are going to carry out that kind of activity. या हार्मोन रिलीज होतात आणि मग आपली ती स्टेज क्रिएट होते, हॅपीनेसची असेल किंवा रागाला यायची असेल, अँगरची असेल. सो वॉट एव्हर द ऑब्झर्वेशन्स आर देअर बाय अदर इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स, दॅट इज द मस्क्युलर अँड ग्रँड्युलर ॲक्टिव्हिटी. बऱ्याच वेळा आपण म्हणतो तो खूप चिडलेला आहे, तो खूप रागवलेला आहे, सर खूप चिडलेले आहेत किंवा सर खूप आनंदी आहेत. How we are going to say that? By just observing the particular individuals, we are going to make a conclusion. Just by observing his emotions, just by observing his muscular activity, physical activity, just by observing his speech, just by observing his emotion on the face. By that we are trying to find out the emotions of the individual. So it is said that it is distributed muscular and glandular activity of the individual. Now what is actually definition? Emotion is an effective experience that accompanies generalized linear adjustment, mental and psychological state of state in the individual and that show itself in his overt behavior. Try to understand. Emotion is an effective experience, the experience of the individual. Okay. That accompanies means that is related with or that experience are going to be carried. कशाशी संदर्भात असतात किंवा त्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीबरोबर ते रिलीज होतात. That are accompanies generalized linear adjustment of the individual and mental and psychological stirred up state. Mental state of individuals. Our expressions, our experience are related with, are accompanied with the psychological state of the individual, and that show it's in its overt behavior. Whatever the expressions we are going to carry out, whatever the psychological state is going to be occur in ourselves, that are going to be shown in the overt behavior. Three things are there. Effective experience accompanies with the adjustment and mental psychological state of the individual, and there is a overt behavior. For example, if we are getting angry, we are showing the anger on our face, in our muscular activity, in our physical activity, in our speech. That is our overt behavior. जे बिहेवियर लोकांना दिसतं दाखवण्यात येण्यासारखं फिजिकल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, that is called as overt behavior. When we are getting angry, we are going to show that kind of overt behavior, and that is overt behavior is the result of psychological state of the individuals. Psychologically we get disturbed, mentally we get disturbed, and then we are going to show this kind of overt behavior. आपला आवाज बदलतो, आपले ॲक्शन्स बदलतात, आपण आपल्या चेहऱ्यावरचे इमोशन्स बदलतात. दॅट इज द ओवर्ड बिहेवियर. अँड वेन वी आर गेटिंग अँग्री, वेन वी गेट एक्सपिरियन्स, अनवॉन्टेड एक्सपिरियन्स विथ अ पर्टिक्युलर थिंग, पर्टिक्युलर ऑब्जेक्ट. म्हणजे नको असलेली गोष्ट घडली की आपण चिडतो याचा अर्थ काय? वी गेट अँग्री, दॅट मीन्स सायकोलॉजिकली वी आर गेट स्टर्ड अप, अँड देन वी आर गोइंग टू शो द एक्सप्रेशन्स ऑन आवर बॉडी. That is our overt behavior. That is the emotion. Another one, it is a complex affective experience, अवघड अनुभव आहे, that involves diffuse psychological changes, means psychological changes are going to be carried out in an individual and can be expressed overtly. That psychological changes are going to be expressed in a overt behavior. इन अ ओव्हर्ट बिहेवियर आणि इन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बिहेवियर पॅटर्न. मग आपल्याला माहिती माणूस चिडला म्हणजे त्याचे एक्सप्रेशन्स काय असतात, आनंदी असले त्याचे एक्सप्रेशन्स काय असतात, घाबरल्यावर ते एक्सप्रेशन्स काय असतात. वॉट आर द एक्सप्रेशन्स आर देअर ऑन आवर फेस, ऑन आवर बॉडी, इन आवर स्पीच. दॅट एक्सप्रेशन्स आर द ओव्हर्ट बिहेवियर, अँड बाय दॅट एक्सप्रेशन्स वी आर ट्राय टू recognize whether that individual is get anger, whether that individual is happy, whether that individual is threatened. तो घाबरलाय, चिडलाय का आनंदी आहे. थ्रू द overt expressions we are going to be observe it, and whatever the expressions are there, overt expressions are there, that is only the result of these psychological changes in the individual. That is the definition of emotion. Anyone you can write in the exam. Now let us try to find out the types of the emotions. What do you think? These physical expressions on the face, facial expression, what it shows? That is nothing but the anger. Now we are going to focusing on types of emotions. Okay. So first one is the anger. So anger or wrath, that is emotional response. It is normal emotion that involves strong, uncomfortable emotional responses, perceived as a provocation. Provocation means irritation. When we are get irritated, we are showing us, when we are becoming strong, uncomfortable with a particular situation, when नको असलेली गोष्ट घडली की आपण चिडतो. That is nothing but the anger. Okay, it is nothing but the strong, uncomfortable. When there is strong, uncomfortable situation, when we are getting irritated, we are showing the anger. Now second one, what it will be? This photo indicate. That is anxiety. Anxiety, that means this emotion characterized by unpleasant state of a mind, inner turmoil, often accompanied with the nervous behavior. When we are get tense, when we are get nervous, when we are get pressurized, now I have to do the presentation. At that time we are getting nervous. When we have to go on a stage to perform, before that situation we are getting certain kind of nervous, we are getting certain kind of tense. That emotion is nothing but the anxiety. Now this one, what do you think? Fear. Fear is the feeling induced by perceived danger of threat. When we pursue, when we understand there is a danger, when we understand there is a threat, suddenly if there is a snake in front of you, एक अचानक आपल्या समोर जर साप आला, we are get threatened, we are get fear. When that means we pursue that there is a danger situation. At that time, fear exists. This caused the change in metabolic and organic function and ultimately changed the behavior of an individual. This caused the change in metabolic and organic function ultimately changing the behavior of feeling, hiding, freezing. So feeling, hiding, freezing, that is nothing but the fear. We are trying to hide ourselves when we are facing a fear situation. When we are observing the horror film, we are getting fear. We are trying to freeze or we are trying to hide ourselves. That is fear. Then what it will be? Next type, frustration. It is a common emotional response to opposition. When we are get opposed, when we are get failure, we are get frustrated. So anger, disappointed arise due to the perceived resistance to fulfillment of individual will. When we resisted to fulfillment of our will, when we are unable to satisfy our will, need, interest, we are get frustrated. जेव्हा आपली गरज आपण भागू शकत नाही, एखादी गोष्ट अचीव करू शकत नाही, when we are unable to achieve a particular thing, we are getting frustrated. Then this one, boredom. Now in lockdown, we are facing this situation. So conventional uses of boredom is an emotional psychological state. It is also emotional psychological state. Individual lived without anything in a particular job. When there is no task to perform, is not interested in that particular task, or her surrounding feels that a day or period is dull or tedious. When we feel it is dull, when we feel that surrounding is dull, when we are not interested in a topic, when we are not interested in a particular surrounding, when there is no task to do, at that time this emotional state is occurred, that is boredom. In lockdown, we are facing this situation. Now, what it will be? Next type, happiness. Next type of emotion. It is a mental emotional state of well-being defined by positive or pleasant emotions. When there is positive emotions, when there is intense of joy, when we are get satisfied, when we are achieve particular thing, happiness situation is occur. Now next one will be the love. Is a variety of different feelings, state, attitude that ranges from interpersonal affection to pleasure. It indicates a strong attraction and personal attachment. That is most important. When there is strong attachment is there, when there is strong affection is there, attraction is there, so this emotion is going to be occur. The next one, surprise. When we get a shock response, when we are getting a shock from particular aspect, particular things, we are get surprise. It is as a result of unexpected event. Unexpected situation, if it is going to be occur, we are get surprise, we are get shock, that is nothing but surprise. Now the next one, interest. Interest is feeling or emotion that causes attention to focus on particular object, event or process. When we are interested in particular things, we are totally focused on that particular thing, that process, that event, that object. We are much more interested to see the movies. At that time, we are fully focused on that particular movies for 3 hours. Why? Because we are interested in it. When you are interested in a particular task, you are fully focused on it and you are enjoying that particular task. Then next emotion will be empathy. Empathy is nothing but capacity to place oneself in others' position. That means capacity to understand and feel other being. Others' individual feelings we try to understand. We try to understand his experience. We try to put ourselves, yourself in other shoes. दुसऱ्याच्या डोळ्यातून जग पाहणे. That is nothing but the empathy. Try to understand the feeling of other people and accordingly be in society. That is the empathy. So these are the different types of emotions. Number of types are there, only 10 to 12 types we have discussed here. In exam there will be question, define emotions and explain the types of emotions. Likewise you have to explain just give the definition of these types of emotions. Now another part in this topic, that is expressive component of emotions. How emotions are expressed. That we are discussing definition. Physically, we are trying to show the emotions. On our facial expressions are there. In our physical actions, we are trying to express emotions. Or through our speech, we are trying to express the emotions. Okay, so which are the expressive components? Basically, Charlie Darwin proposed that each emotion is a discrete state with an outward expression. Each emotions we are going to show through our outward expressions, by which we are able to recognize. Means we are showing the emotions outwardly on our body, and by which other people are able to recognize that emotions. We are able to recognize the state or state of the mental state of the individuals. How it can be possible? Sometimes via different actions. For example, sneering. This photo indicate what the meaning of sneering. Shrugging. I don't know. I am unable to recognize. मला समजलं नाही. I am unable to understand. So these are the physical expressions, overt expressions. Sometimes we are trying to show it through the physiological event, that is tears, perspiration. Tears indicate your mental situation. It indicates your emotions. When तुम्ही दुःखी आहात, you are facing some problems, you are suffering from severe problems when there are tears. Perspiration. When you are facing a difficult situation, when you are going to say a lie, खोटं बोलत असेल तर पकडला गेल्यावरती perspiration. Emotions are inner state that can be externally expressed. Inner state, it is the situation of mind, but it is going to be expressed on our face or body. Emotion can be relayed non-verbally by entire body. That is, non-verbally our body try to show the emotions. How? Through posture, gesture, vocal qualities. Vocal means speech. Okay. Contrast of limb or sagging posture. By that way we are trying to show we are suffering from certain problems. So that are the postures, gestures, okay, through which we are trying to show the emotions. Also, with expansive puff of bearing of one who feels confident or proud. If you are confident and proud, you are showing that kind of expressions. Here the soldiers are trying to show their confidence. Twisting hand gesture or restlessly tapping the foot. So these are also tapping the foot that indicate the nervousness. Before presentation, we are getting somewhat nervousness, tense. So these are your overt bear, physical expressions, gestures, through which we are trying to show the emotions. Voice is also playing important role. Okay, when we are getting angry, we are roar, squeal of gill, halting, slow down the speech. When we are depressed, खोटं बोलत असेल तर आवाज लहान होतो, किंवा डिप्रेस असेल तर आवाज निघत नाही. We are trying to speak when we are facing a depressed situation. But when we are anger, we are roaring. जोर जोराने बोलतो. We are shouting when we are getting angry. That is vocal expressions. See, gestures. Through gestures, we are trying to show the emotions. Through voice, we are trying to show the emotions. Through human face, that is facial expressions, also trying to show the emotions. Like here is the emotions and here is the visible expressions on our face. So affections we are trying to show through kissing and hugging. Anger, emotion is anger, we are trying to show to the clenching fist. Emotions like anger and frustrations we are showing through frowning. This one, frowning. Contempt, that is sneering. When we are not interested in a particular situation, particular things, किंवा एखादी गोष्ट टाळायची असेल, यू वॉन्ट टू अवॉइड अ पर्टिक्युलर थिंग, दॅट इज स्नीरिंग. दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन वी आर शोईंग. Fear, anger. So this photo indicate that this child is getting much more fear or anger. Fear, anxiety, that is trembling. See the expressions that explain the meaning of trembling. Pain, we are suffering, when we are suffering from pain, sweating, screaming. Pleasure, when we are happy, we are showing that kind of expressions. Resignation, I don't know, shrugging the shoulder. I have not done it. I didn't understood it, shrugging. Sadness, when you are suffering from sadness, that is crying. Shame, modesty, blushing, when we are going to observe a shame thing. Oh no, blushing. So these are the emotions and how they are going to be visibly expressed. Affection, kissing, hugging, anger, clenching fist, anger, clenching, frowning, contempt, sneering, fear, hair standing end, fear and anxiety, trembling, pain, sweating, screaming, pleasure, laughing, resignation, shrugging, sadness, crying, shame, modesty, blushing. So these are the expressive components of emotions. So that is about the today's lecture. What is the emotion? Definition of emotion, types of emotion, and expressive component of emotion. In exam, you might ask define emotion, explain the types of emotion, define emotion, give the expressive components of emotion. Okay. Thank you.